The US completed its withdrawal from Afghanistan before the deadline, and the last US troops there also left Kabul airport before 12 midnight. Shortly after the Taliban announced the departure of last US flight from Kabul, US officials confirmed to British news agency Reuters that the United States had completed its withdrawal from Afghanistan. With this last flight, the 20 years US campaign in Afghanistan that began after the 9/11 attacks came to an end. The longest US war killed nearly 50,000 Afghan civilians, 2,500 US troops, 66,000 Afghan soldiers, police, 457 British troops, 50,000 Taliban and other anti-US fighters. The Afghan war was overseen by 4 US presidents at an estimated cost of $2 trillion. Many generations of Americans will have to pay $6 trillion in interest on most of the money borrowed to cover war expense. The Pentagon has also confirmed that the US withdrawal from Afghanistan has been completed. According to French news agency AFP, after the withdrawal of the US troops, the senior Taliban leader said, "We have made history." Giving a briefing, US Central Command Chief General Mackenzie said that the US withdrawal from Afghanistan has been completed and the last US C-17 plane has left Kabul. He said it was unfortunate that 30 Americans had died in the last day of evacuation. "We also had to change our plans during the evacuation," Mackenzie told the Taliban, adding the resistance would not be tolerated during the evacuation. He said that the US forces had shown courage in the face of threats, adding that US forces in Afghanistan were facing a serious threat. He also said that 6,000 American citizens from Afghanistan, while not only Americans but also citizens of other countries, were evacuated from Afghanistan, said the head of US Central Command. In addition, according to French news agency, while celebrating the withdrawal of US troops in Kabul city, sounds of firing were also heard from Taliban checkpoints. It may be recalled that the Taliban had recently said that the US should complete its withdrawal by 31 August. And if US troops remain in Afghanistan after 31 August, it would be considered an extension of the occupation and they would be responsible for the consequences. The Taliban also said that they would not announce a government or form cabinet as long as there was a single US soldier in Afghanistan. US President Joe Biden had also expressed hope that the withdrawal of US troops from Afghanistan would be completed by 31 August. And now the US has completed the withdrawal from Afghanistan before the deadline. The president will address to the nation on Tuesday about not extending the US military presence in Afghanistan.